12-year-old Carlos Yulo trains in this group. He was Palaro's all-around gymnastics champion in 2011. Yulo began his training at the age of 7. He dreams of winning a gold at the Southeast Asian Games. It has not been easy, but he is well on his way.
2009 po yung Palarong Tacloban. Ako po ay natalo. Dahil po, di ako nag-training maigi. Bumalik po ako dito at nag-training na nag-training. Yung 2011, May 20, sa Sambanga, nanalo po ako. Champion. Susunod na palaro, sana po maging champion ako.
Another big NCR bet is Jag Timbang. The 14-year-old has won in many tournaments and was the second all-around champion in last year's Palaro. Like every 14-year-old, Jag has his distractions, but commitment and love for the sport prevails.
Minsan po napapagod pagka tinatamad na. Yung pagka-computer ko, para lang po sa pagte-training din ako nag-computer ko. So po manalo sa Palarong Pambansa ngayong taon para po paglaki ko, maging champion ko ako sa SEA Games.
Coach Otero, a former SEA Games champion himself, has faith in his wards. Even from the start, he has recognized the potential in the two gymnasts. At the end of the day, Carlos and Jag are still kids, and this makes their achievements a greater feat. Isa Rodriguez, Rappler, Manila.